Hi parents, this is Mr. Like again. Hopefully yesterday they had a great time kind of putting their finger together and starting to figure out how muscles and tendons work in their body. You may be answering questions about all the different parts of their body and all the different muscles that move. I'm going to come back to this when we actually look at some eyeballs a little bit later. But today we're going to focus on the eyeball itself. I think the big question that Doug and Mystery Science is going to pose has to do with, what do blind people actually see? And to understand that, we really got to understand how the eyeball works. So we're going to be focusing today on the lens and then the image that is projected on the back of the eyeball. Students actually are going to be making kind of a model, an actual three-dimensional model using a lens in order to make that happen. So that's going to be really cool. And hopefully by the end of today, they'll have a better understanding of some of the parts of the eyeball and how that causes us to see. In future lessons, we're going to be looking at how the owl actually sees at night. And we'll focus on that eyeball again, but we'll focus on that iris part of the eyeball in terms of how much light is being let in. And then we're going to focus on the brain itself and how does the brain actually gather that information and process that information so that the owl can swoop in, see its prey, swoop in, and grab it at the appropriate time. So, thank you again so much for all of the hard work that you've put in. Today, again, we're focusing on structure and function, this time of the eyeball, the structure of the lens, the function of how it creates the image. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher, or you can contact me at likescience2020@gmail.com, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like science and you like this video, feel free to like this video below and subscribe for future updates.